Hi, my name is Domas and I'm here to show you how to use your new HomeSoap. Inside the box, you will find a power adapter and the HomeSoap unit itself. To get started, plug your HomeSoap to the wall. The HomeSoap is our first product that has both manual and automatic sanitation modes. To switch between the two modes, hold the sensor on top until the PhoneSoap logo starts flashing. In the automatic mode, place your item inside, and once you close it, it'll start automatically. In manual mode, once you close the door, tap the sensor, and then the sanitation process begins. In both automatic and manual mode, it only takes 10 minutes for the sanitation process. The indicator light in the logo will show you the status of the sanitation cycle. To ensure you are getting the full 360 degrees and the 99.99% sanitation, make sure that you are only touching the quartz plates on the bottom and on the sides. The HomeSoap conveniently has a USB and a USB-C port in the inside so you can charge and sanitize at the same time. The HomeSoap is equipped with microsuction feet to prevent it from accidentally tipping over. In order for the microsuction feet to work, you'll need to remove the plastic lining of each foot. Your HomeSoap not only works for your tablets and your phone, but it can work for your game controllers, remote controllers, headphones, basically anything that's in need of sanitation around your home. We know you're gonna love this product and we hope that this will help you live a healthier lifestyle.